Most snorkels are just built to look tough, but this one is engineered to perform. Who doesn't want 60% more airflow into their diesel engine? Well, this snorkel has been engineered to do exactly that. And we've proven that through CFD, FEA and airflow testing. Just like all Safari snorkels, it gives you cooler, cleaner air to your engine. And if you actually want real engine protection from water and dust ingress, we got you covered. And in our opinion, nothing has a better fit and finish. Just have a look at how good the snorkel body to guard fitment is. It's Australian made and it's backed by a lifetime warranty. That's the reason why people who are serious about their four-wheel drive keep choosing Safari.